All right, in this video, we're going to learn how to use GitHub Desktop in order to publish and sync our Xcode projects with GitHub on the web. Let's go ahead and download GitHub Desktop now. Go to desktop.github.com and you can download the installer right here. The next step is to make a new Xcode project. Create a new project. Okay, this is important. Down here, we want to select Create Git Repository on My Mac and make sure that that's checked. We don't need Xcode anymore, so I'm going to close it. Open up GitHub Desktop. Over here on the left, you can see some previous apps and repositories that I already have. Let's go ahead and add the project that we just made. Up here on the left, click on this plus sign for Add Repositories and click Add and navigate to where your project is saved. Mine is on my desktop. After I've selected the main folder, I just click Open and Add Repository. Okay, from here, all I have to do to publish this to the web is hit Publish. But before I do that, let's go to GitHub on the web so I can show you that it's not already there. Now, if you don't have a GitHub account, you'll need to make one. Go to Profile and click on your repositories. Let's go ahead and publish our new project. So from GitHub Desktop, I just choose Publish and click Publish Repository. Pushing to GitHub. All right, let's refresh and we'll see that my new app is right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here are some of the files. I'm going to go ahead and add a README. Okay, I'm going to type a message in here and commit new file. Now, let's go back to GitHub Desktop. Now, in order to see what I did in the web version of GitHub, I'm going to need to push sync. And you can see here, create README file, and it will show us exactly what was done. Let's go to the project folder to see what's new. Aha, you can see that a README file has been added, and with the message I have there. So let's create a message now locally and push it back up to GitHub on the web. Close that and save. Back to GitHub Desktop. And you can see there's one uncommitted change, and it's the change I just made. GitHub Desktop has detected that we made a change in one of the files in our project folder. Now, in order to commit this change, I'm going to give a little message and select Commit to Master. Now I have no uncommitted changes. Let's go ahead and sync. Now I'll go back to GitHub on the web, refresh, and you can see in my README, it reflects the changes we made locally. So from GitHub Desktop, you can create a project, push it to the web, make any kind of changes from the web, or have collaborators make changes, and easily sync them back with your original project.